Hi, I just wanted to walk you through the steps on how to use the Smart Recorder tool in Smart Notebook. The tool is located in your toolbar. It looks just like a camera. You can also get to it by going to here to your tools. You can go right to where it says Recorder. So let's click on that and see what happens. This was something I did earlier, so let me close that out. Right, so now we're going to capture a screen recording. There's a couple different things you can do here. You can actually also include movie recording. That means it'll use your webcam to capture your face talking if you want to include yourself. But most of the time, a screen recording is enough to get your lesson onto video. You want to click on this pull-down menu and make sure your built-in microphone is checked. Otherwise, it won't pick up your voice. If your computer is going to be far away, you're up at your smartboard and you're recording, then you'll have to think about what to do in order to get your voice. You might have to use a Bluetooth microphone, some kind of external microphone, or yell really loud. When you're ready to record, you would simply click on this red button. It will turn black, and so when I do this, the audio, it might get a little distorted in my video, so just please hang on. So I just want to show you how this works. I'm going to click on this little button. You have two choices here. You can either just click one time and it'll record this entire screen, or you can simply press down on your trackpad and drag out just the area you want to record. This will shorten the size of your video, especially if you're doing something lengthy, so that might be very helpful not to have all the stuff recorded on the sides. When you're ready to record, you simply just click on recording, and so everything you say is going to be captured and everything you do will also be captured. So for instance, if I click on my little pens and I draw, whoops, hold on, there we go. I'm doing two things at once, so it's going to be a little difficult. Yours will not do this. It'll also capture that drawing. When I'm done, I'm simply going to go to, there's a little black, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of faded. Like I said, I'm doing two things at once, but it's a tiny little black record button. I can click on it to close out my recording. And then, so what it's doing now is going to pop up a little preview button. And this is where the voice is going to get kind of loud, so please forgive me. I just want to show you how that works. So I'm going to press play to be captured, and everything you do will also be captured. Okay, so once you preview your video, and I highly recommend you preview it, make sure that you're happy with it, you're ready to save it. So I'm going to go here and just save this. If you are happy, you can also just simply export it directly to YouTube so that you can get it out to your students. But for now, let's just say we're going to save it and onto our own hard drive or into Google Drive or wherever you want to put it. I'm going to give it a name and save it. And now it's saved on my hard drive, and I can put it in Google Drive, share it with my students. I can put it in YouTube, put it in a Google form. There's so many things you can do with it. I just want you to understand the process. So once I'm done, I'm going to quit out a QuickTime Player, and that's pretty much the process. So let me go find that video. It was in Movies. So you could have saved it to your desktop. You could have saved it anywhere. And it's this practice 5. And from here, I could put it in a Google Drive, and I could share it with my students that way. I could also put it, put it into YouTube, or there's just a lot of different things you can do with that video. So we'll talk about that at another time, and hope this helps.